Hello YouTube. In this video we are going to replace the smart key battery of a Honda Fit GP5 model. The type of the battery of the smart key is CR2032, where you can find it on almost all the hardwares or even in retail shops. It's not that expensive. You can see it's only 200 rupees. This is on Sri Lankan rupees. Go ahead and see how to replace the battery. First, you need to remove the manual key from the key fob. To remove the manual key, there's a small hook where you can just pull it up and drag the manual key out. Once the manual key out of the way, you can see that we can put a coin in the middle here, and we can turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise with some force to split open the smart key fob. So to open this key fob, I'm using this coin and I'll be putting pressure anti-clockwise. So you just put the key like this and I'm putting pressure anti-clockwise. See, now the key is open. You just can pull it out like this, and you can see the circuit is in the side of the buttons itself. You can see there are 4 hooks that keeps the battery in place. To remove this battery, you just have to pull one of these hooks a bit out and then just force out the battery. You just pull one of the hooks like this, a bit out, not much, just a bit, and just pull out the battery. Take the new battery, and first you put it like this for the outer hooks, and then just push battery down here. Right, now the battery is in place, and you take the cover, and if you look into the cover, there can be some dirt that goes around the cover. Better you clean it up. You can see 2 hooks there where you can place the hooks in the other part of the smart key fob. You place it like this, gently, and you apply some force. See, now it goes in as good as new. You take the manual key and you put it in. The job is done. Alright guys, this is how we remove or replace the battery of a smart key, and I hope you learned something. And if you learned something and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give me a like. I'll be putting more DIY videos like this in future. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.